Hi, my name is Jonathan Rushing. I'm the President and CEO of Elevate Roofing and Exteriors. I've been in business since 2009, and we have done thousands of roofs upon all kinds of buildings and even commercial buildings. If you're watching this, you are a person that is involved with a commercial building, and it is imperative that you understand that commercial buildings, especially flat roofs, must be maintained. All of the manufacturers write off the warranties to nothing if those roofs are not maintained with some type of maintenance that will not only protect what is there, but extend the life of what is there for years to come. Well, we have Elite Protection. Elevate Elite Protection for commercial owners and business managers just like you. Here's what it gets you. We come out 3 times a year. We will check every flashing. We will do a roof report card full of pictures and a report to send to you. We'll check your drain systems. We will provide free tarping if you have any future problems. We will put the roof under a workmanship warranty so that as long as that protection is maintained, you don't even have to pay for repairs. I'm telling you, it's a little small expense to save much more over the cost and the lifetime of your roof. And the great news is we're on call to you 24 hours a day. So please, let us help you as you're trying to do your business, and we will make sure that the roof is your last worry. Call us today, 1-800-977-6638. So let us work with you, because you deserve more than just a roof. You deserve a partner to help you in your business for years to come.
Our family.